Let's continue. In my second section, I'm having one message something like welcome to my website. This is completely looks like a h2 element. So let's use h2. Welcome to my website. Good. After this one, we are having some text information which is inside a paragraph. Lorem text, it is a lorem ipsum text. This is what we want. I'm simply going to copy this text information only up to this part. It will be fine for us. Control C. Control V. Inside my paragraph, I displayed that lorem text content also. Okay. Refresh. Now I can successfully see my text content in a bold format. Let's take this thing to our 100%. Okay, nice. I think the height is somewhat more compared to this one. It's okay. We need a button after this one. In the same section itself, after the paragraph, I'm having one button. What is the content in that button? Enter. Okay. F5. I got button. Super. Next, we are a company of passionate designers and developers. I think it will be a H3. It is going to be, I'm going to make that only small element also in another section, guys. Based on purpose, I'm doing all these things. Whenever you are going to combine this particular HTML with CSS, it is going to help a lot. We are a company of passionate designers and developers. Okay, good. It is also done. After this one, once again, we are having some font icons. Fine. We are having some more font icons, something like message type, a location type, a chart. Let's go and search for messenger type. Where is that one? I think this one. Good. I need this one. Copy it. Okay, I copied successfully. In this particular section, if you see, we are having nearly, this is completely one div block. This one is completely one div block, and I'm going to make this one also as another div block, and this is completely one section. Just assume like that. Or else for our better understanding purpose, I'm going to make this complete 4 lines of content into a one section, and this one drop me a line. Such type of thing will be another section. Inside this section, I'm having one image and a paragraph. Image, paragraph, image, paragraph. All is a 4. So I'm going to use 4 div blocks. Div. We are having 4 div blocks. The first div block is having one image. This image is completely one icon. That's why we are going to use one icon. Let me use the same icon what I initially copied. This is for our chart. This is for our location. I don't know what icon this one is, so I'm going to make this one also as a chart, guys. Okay. After this one, we are having once again a paragraph. Lorem ipsum paragraph is common in here also, so I'm going to copy this thing up to a small part. Control V, Control S. Good. This is about our first div. Nice. I got the image and I got the plain text also. Superb. Next, we are having one more thing. So I can simply copy this entire div once again. Control C. Control V. This is going to be our another element. That icon will be. Okay. chart is done. Navigation, we need location. I think this one is fine for us. Yeah, it is better. Good. This one is fine. Copy. For the second thing, we are going to use the location. Okay. This is going to be a chart. Superb. This is going to be, I think, logistics, some logical network type of information. Networks, I assume like that. No, it is not that one. Logistics. Okay, it is also not present. Energy, will that one be a energy thing? No, it is also not that one. Energy, emoji, education, date, time, currency, construction, computers, communication. Let's take to communication. Am I having anything in here for such type of image? No, still in here also we are not having any image. It's okay, fine, we can use the same icon, but whenever we go to any web pages, we are going to see the most probably the icons will be definitely going to be given to us. Good. I'm having these 4 div blocks as it is like this. Now this is our another section. Drop me a line. Section. That one will be H3. Drop me a line. Okay, good. After this one, it is once again having some lorem text. I will copy this paragraph once again, but in this point of time, it is not having a big paragraph. It is having only 2 or 3 lines of code. So I'm going to delete this complete stuff up to this. Control S, Alt Tab, refresh. I got that drop me a line also. Good. And we need one more button. Slash button. Inside this button, it is having a message called as contact. Okay, good. Finally, we are having a footer. For that also, I'm going to use the section. Inside this one, the footer is having designed by elegant themes. Elegant themes are in bold format. Inside the paragraph, I'm going to write designed by B tag. Elegant themes and powered by WordPress. Okay, after this one we are having one OR type of symbol. Powered by WordPress, and is not there. WordPress, good, fine. After this one, once again we are having some icons, Facebook, Twitter, and communication type of icon. I just seen this one. Yeah, here it is. Copy this one. Let's go to our code. I'm going to take a new paragraph element. Inside this one, the first thing we are having is Facebook. So let's go and have the Facebook icon also. This one, good. We need Twitter icon also. Control V. for proper differentiation purpose, for understanding purpose, I am going to write this code in a new line. This is better, and our paragraph is goes here. We need one more thing, that is Twitter. I think which one? Facebook, Twitter, and navigation. Okay, fine. This one. Copy. Control V. Successfully we completed the page what we seen in here. Like our navigation, links, button, icons, everything are present in here. The same way all these are also present in here. Is it true? Yes, absolutely it is true. Then why this particular page looks like very good compared to this one? It is like a plain text. It is very pale, very worst way it is presenting to us. Why? Because of having CSS or advanced part like WordPress and something called as bootstraps, tailwind CSS, all those comes under additional and external packages. After CSS you can learn all those things, but before that you have to definitely need to learn and understand about CSS also. Because of CSS we can make this plain web page to this excellent web page by using some paddings, by using some colors, and by applying some background colors, by changing the style elements, by giving some spaces between one element to another element, and giving margins, paddings. Each and everything are going to play a crucial role whenever we are using and whenever we are building a web page. That's why we are going to plan for one more series regarding CSS also. In that particular series you are going to learn about what are the CSS properties we are having, what to use compared to which property we need to use which one, what is the extension you need to follow, how to create a responsive web page, how to create a page which is going to be look like in each and every device. That is the meaning of responsive, guys. For suppose if we are having this particular page, if I am going to open this page in my mobile phone, what happens? Just wait a second. This will be in our mobile phone. If you want to open this particular page in a tablet, 768 pixels is the width of your tablet. In your tablet also you are going to see the content very good. If you go to a extra large screen, something like 1900 pixels, then also you are going to see your content very good. It will be very nice for you to see each and everything properly. Here it is initially having navigations. If you go to a mobile device 768 pixels, at that point you are not going to see the complete navigation also. You are going to see some drop down functionality. This is what we call as responsive page. You are going to create such type of responsive using CSS. CSS is very powerful for making a responsive page. We will discuss about all these things. If you are really interested to learn and to build a responsive page, try to watch that particular HTML and CSS series also. Because in that series also, based on the HTML, you are going to apply. Because HTML is very crucial part. It is going to work as a heart in our entire body. If you want to live, we need blood for each and every part. Like the same way, yeah, we are having a lot of other parts also, but mostly blood is powerful and blood is important. How can I get every part? Through the heart, like that. For every technology, HTML is the heart, guys. So please subscribe for this channel, and I hope you are understanding everything. If anybody feel anything issue, if anybody find some wrong outputs, let us know. Drop a comment in the chat box, so we will definitely help you to sort it out. And we will meet once again back on CSS course.